In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy stuff online with a Visa gift card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which type of Visa gift card you have, you will be able to use it to buy stuff online. So these cards are meant to be used just like any other standard debit card. So as long as you go to an online store that accepts debit cards as payment, you will be able to use your Visa gift card. So first, ensure that it has enough balance and that it is properly activated. You can look for a number on the back of the Visa gift card that you can call or visit a website, for example, Vanilla Prepaid. This is going to depend on which Visa gift card issuer you have. So there are plenty of options. Just make sure that it is activated and most importantly that you have enough balance. If you go over to a specific website like Vanilla Prepaid, you input the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and security code, and you will be able to manage and check the amount on the card, or call the number at the back. Now, go over to any online store that accepts debit cards as payment. Proceed to checkout after you add all the items to your card. And once this is done, choose the option to pay using a credit or debit card. It's as simple as inputting the full card number, expiration date, and security code. If they ask for the name on the card, simply input your name, and it is going to be approved. Remember to check if you have enough balance and that the order total is not above the balance available on the card. They are simple to use, effective, and they will work on any store that accepts Visa gift cards or standard debit cards. So look for the Visa flag and you will be able to use them as the payment method of choice. If it doesn't work, I recommend talking to the customer support and ensuring that the card was properly activated. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy stuff online with Visa gift card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.